The Jamaica Association for the Deaf Hearing Services is raising awareness about hearing wellness. Joining us now is Deniese Badroe, Director of Business Development for the Jamaica Association for the Deaf Hearing Service. Morning, Deniese.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start first of all with some statistics here in Jamaica.
Right.
Approximately how much of our population is hearing?
In total, we have about 6,000 or 7,000 persons with hearing loss, and that includes persons who were born deaf as well as persons who develop hearing loss along the way.
Along the way. And so one of the things we're talking about this morning is hearing wellness.
Right, in the workplace.
In the workplace. So hearing loss along the way. What are some of the factors that have contributed to that?
Noise, loud noise. Because you have a lot of persons who work in noise-prone industries. And if you're in a work environment with 85 decibels or more for 8 hours, that can put you at risk of losing your hearing.
What 85 decibels? So which job would have you in a space?
You know that even at home you use equipment that is that has 85 decibels, like a lawnmower is 85 or more, right? Even a blow dryer. But the thing is that you don't use it that often, but if you use it constantly, you can lose your hearing. However, if in an instant, like if it's too loud, you can just lose your hearing loss instantly.
Immediately?
Right, if it's too loud.
It will just blow the eardrum?
Right. If like 120, 140 decibels, you can lose it.
Whoa.
Right.
Okay, and so you're looking at workplace because why?
Because we do have a lot of persons who work in noise-prone industry, and we do have a very noisy environment because you work in the noise-prone industry. So you spend 8 hours working in the noise-prone industry. Then when you go home, you might go to church or you might go to for entertainment. That is also noisy as well. So you want persons to be wary of the hearing health because it impacts the productivity of the organization as well, because it leads to isolation, depression. So you don't want the productivity of your organization to decrease. So we have to ensure that you monitor the hearing health of your organization. So you want to have annual hearing tests. And if you know that they're in an environment that is 85 decibels or more for a long period, you ensure that they have protection. We offer noise plugs, and it is custom-made noise plugs, so it fits you and it lasts for up to 5 years.
Really?
Do they really work?
Yes, it does. It reduces about 25 decibels.
Okay.
Right.
Wow.
I see some folks equip their people
The
with
earmuffs, right.
Is it muffs?
You have the earmuffs and you have the noise plugs.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
Right. And that's what I was going to say, that at different levels, there are different things that you need to do.
Right.
At some, Simone mentioned it. But what about the office now, where I'm sitting at my desk and the person beside me decide that they're going to have a sound clash because they're listening to their music?
Are you flanging word over here? Just checking.
But you can come in and get fitted with an earplug from us, you know. It's custom built.
My broader question is, should workplaces have a noise policy that if you're going to listen to music or you're going to, that you should wear your headsets, noise at the workplace shouldn't be above a certain level? Because me I tell you the truth, Deniese, you have some people come and work, and me I tell you, you want to plug them out?
Yeah, because you can also test the level of noise in the office, because there are apps that you can download on your smartphones and tells you how loud
it is.
Yeah, it is.
Oh. It's interesting. We encourage folks to check their health. Go and do your executive, go and check your blood, check your eyes, but we don't really focus on...
No.
Okay, so tell us what the messages you want to get, because we have about 2 minutes in the interview. You want business places to encourage their employees
to come and have their ears tested. And right now we're having a discount for clients. So it's a group package. So once you come in, if you're in the Kingston and environ, we can come to you. So it's a discount package.
And we would be the Jamaica Association.
Also for the Deaf Hearing Services.
Right, okay.
Right, we can come to you. Or you can set up an appointment and come to us at 91 Dumbarton Avenue.
And what does the test look like? I mean, we know what an eye test look like, and we know how you draw blood and such, but what
It's using equipment to see what is happening in your ears.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Is there hearing recovery? Meaning?
No.
No?
So once you, hearing loss from noise, it is preventable, but you cannot recover from it.
Mercy.
So all of us who wear indoors AirPods
Ooh.
on high,
And sometimes you can even hear what they're
listening to.
Right.
That's how you know it's too loud.
too loud.
Yes. Yes.
Oops.
Okay. I'm glad Denise come this morning. I feel empowered.
Wow, wow, wow.
When them I play the loud music, I say, hi, hi. Oh my God. I'm coming to check it.
Okay, so 91 Dumbarton is where you are.
Yes, we're
If you're watching this morning and you are an HR or actually it doesn't matter which level of the organization you're in, please bring it to somebody's attention that this is something that needs to be put on the radar. Even though some people, your boss call it, just you never hear because, right? But no, it's a serious issue. Go and check it out. May I ask the interpreter's name? What's your name?
My name is Georgia Cummings.
Georgia Cummings. Oh, Georgia, they are help us sign out. We're not even say morning. Sorry, Georgia. Manners. Thank you very much, Dave.
thank you.
Appreciate it. We are a nation of loud people, you know. We like loud music. We like loud voice notes
after.
on our phone, out
Can
the
I
door.
mention?
Yes, go ahead.
Right. So this is a journal, Garvey Gems journal, and it used inspirational quotes of Marcus Garvey, our national hero, first national hero. And this was taken from the book Opinions and Philosophies of Marcus Garvey. Right. So it has all the quotes from Marcus Garvey in it.
And that's part of your fundraising
Right.
for the association.
Done by J.D. Binders. Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Deniese Badroe, Director of Business Development for the Jamaica Association for the Deaf Hearing Service. Thanks to Miss Georgia. Appreciate it.
Yes.
All right, coming up next.
Jamaican molecular biologist